Guys, in this video, we're going to cover our crypto swing indicator, getting questions on that. Works on all different time frames. In the video, we'll kind of go over the 4-hour time frame, but this also works on a daily. I mean, look at what it's done to Bitcoin. This is back in going back to November. Fired along here, ran all the way up to almost the tippy top of the market, fired a short or sell. And that lasted all through this down move here down toward the bottom. Once it did bottom, it signaled to go long, and that ran us up to this 11,700 level, which then failed, and then it said nope, time to go short again, and that rode all the way down to the latest bottom that we're in, and then it said yep, time to go long, and that's currently the signal that we're in, which has since run up to almost 10,000 from where it signaled down at 7,870 level. So, and we're still in that long condition, so we're looking to buy dips until it tells us to flip. But as you can see, you get on the daily, you get really big percentage gains. But we're gonna dig into some of the questions, or answer some of the questions that we've had on it. So let's dig into that.
Trade Genius.
Hey guys, how's it going? It's Philip with Trade Genius. In this evening's video, I wanted to cover our crypto swing indicator. I've gotten a lot of questions on it, and so we are running a special on it. Special number 1 here would get you the indicator and a lot of other things: chat room access, our Crypto Express service, our hand-picked entries and exits. This is all part of package 1, and we're doing it for a limited time because we're relaunching the site, and we're going to have integrated chat rooms across all services, so we're streamlining things. I've gotten a lot of questions though on the swing indicator itself. We have settings that we prefer to use, so when you get signed up, we'll get you set up with those settings. But as you can see, and this is for like a smaller duration swing trade, so 4-hour time frame a lot of people like because it's not too busy, but you'll get a swing signal like here on Litecoin, ride it up, and then you get another one here, rides it down, and you'll notice we have this linear regression channel up, and we like to use that as kind of like our basically where we would target the end of the move. We also like it when it signals in that channel on the lower or upper end of it, depending on if it's a long or short signal. You can go short if you're able to short the particular coin, Litecoin. You can short that at an exchange like Poloniex, and you can flip short, or you can just exit your longs. But this works on other time frames too. But I mean, just some examples here on the 4-hour. There's Litecoin. This is Ethereum again. Long here, short here, a little bit of chop here. It's not perfect, but chop would stop you out here. But again, we prefer them when they're down lower in the channel. So like this is a nice one because this is at the bottom of the channel. We like this up here because it's toward the top of the channel. Mid channel, or when it fires and it's already fires short and it's already toward the bottom of the channel. Those aren't ideal. You can take those, but either your target's going to be a lot shorter, like this one here was a quickie, and then it was hit the bottom of the channel. That's kind of what we're targeting, is the bottom of these channels. And then it flipped long here. This one was fired long mid-channel, and sometimes what happens when you get mid-channel, you'll get some chop. And so ideally you're getting them on the bottom of the channel or the top of the channel. So this kind of clarify some of the questions that we get. Again, EOS, you could see short down here to the bottom of the channel. Still was in a short condition even though it bounced off of it, but a lot of times we'll close our targets there and wait for another signal. And then we got a signal, again, it's in the bottom half of the channel, and that was a nice signal up. And then we got a short up here, right, and that went down. Again, if you can't short these coins because they're not shortable, or you just simply exit from the signal long. And now we've got another one long here on EOS on the 4-hour. Again, this is toward the bottom half of the channel, so we take that long. And ADA is another one. Again, just showing you different examples of fired long, didn't really get off the ground too much. Normally when we get a move like that, we're moving up our stop, so you probably would get out break even, especially after this bottom didn't hold. Then you have it firing short here, but again, it's not, see where you are in the channel, your mid channel, so we don't get really excited about when it fires there too much, because we're looking for your strongest signals are going to be, like I said, on either side of the channel. So we like this one here, this current one. As you can see, it's working its way up, and so you'd have your stop move to this area here, pretty close to where you are. So with this methodology, you're gonna have really small losses and pretty decent sized winners. The other question I get is, it's hard because there's so many tokens, and you have to sit here and watch when this arrow fires, because you can't, TradingView is limited and you can't get an alert when that fires. That's just a limitation of TradingView. So that's why we created the Crypto Express service. So what will happen is you'll get an alert. We have pre-selected about 45 different tokens that are, have decent volume and decent trading ranges. And so when it fires on that coin, you'll get an alert. And then you can go to your chart and determine if you want to be able to take action on that or not. But it was a way to cut down on screen time for those that are discretionary traders and wanted to be alerted when their coin, some people like to trade 3 or 4 tokens or cryptos, and that helps them a bunch. So anyway, I just thought I would do a quick video on that, guys. The service is really reasonable, $3.99 a year. You'll pay for that in a couple of these trades easily, and I think that you'll really enjoy the service. So again, it doesn't say it, but you will get the Crypto Express on this $3.99 special. That's for a year of chat room, a year of our handpicked signals, and I think it's an extremely good value. We're running this because we are relaunching our site, and we think that it's going to be just an awesome user experience when that launches, and that should be in the coming week or so. So anyway, guys, just some clarification on that signal and the special. And tomorrow we're going to go over this week, looking at, we have the Consensus Conference coming up. We're going to see how historically that's affected Bitcoin and what we can expect in this coming week with Bitcoin and the other cryptos. So we will see you in the morning with that video. All right, guys, thanks for watching. Take care. See you next time.
Trade Genius.